All right, so after years and years of just going back and forth, talking, arguing, talking trash and everything, so today is officially Dre versus Dana, the cook-off. Let's get to it. All right, so go ahead and let them know, man. What are you starting off with today, man? What's gonna be your game plan as far as your coals, man?
Well, I like to set my coals to one side. I don't like the entire grill to be hot. You know, since you can't actually manually control the heat, but you can finesse the heat, and that's what we're going to do today. Throwing rocks at Thanos' throne, bro. Caused me to come from where I was. Now I must come straight.
All right, so here we go, man. So we see what Dre doing with the fire and everything. I haven't even started my fire yet. But what I'm about to do is go ahead and get my chicken out of this brine and go ahead and let it get as dry as I can and let it rest for about a good 30-40 minutes before I even think about putting it on this grill. So just let me go ahead and show you what I'm working with. Actually, I'm working with some lump coals. I did actually use some instant start coals just to kind of go ahead and speed up the process. So this is grill number 1. This is grill number 2. This is where I'm gonna be doing my salmon at, and this is where the real deal magic is gonna happen right here. Once I get my lump coals grayed out, then we're gonna go ahead and add this wood, and it's gonna go down, man.
You know, everybody has their own way of doing things. You know, that's what you can appreciate about the culinary world. You know, you're only as good as your last meal. You're only as good as your creativity will allow you to be. So, counterpart went with the brine. I didn't. I went with a quick infusion through acid. This right here has some vinegar in it, like a mango vinegar in it. So the vinegar penetrates the fibers of the meat and allows it to be tender, faster.
So go ahead and let me know, what's the official competition today, man, from your perspective?
This is something that's been waiting to happen for a long time. It's probably about a 10-year-old thing. The jabs were made, things were said, and to me, sometimes the big brother gotta take his strap out, man, kind of rough the little brother up a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
So what's this? So here we go, because this motherfucker tripping. Here we go. So the official competition, of course, it's been going on for years, but the official competition itself is going to be beef, chicken, fish. All right. I got a few other little things I'm gonna pull in my bag, but the official competition is really just gonna be the beef, chicken, and fish.
Well,
that's the main thing.
You didn't say ingredients. You said official competition.
Yeah.
This something that, you know what I'm saying?
So what we're gonna do is we were gonna have like 3 judges, but really what we're gonna do is just kind of have everybody judge. We'll just have like a pan A, pan B, and then we'll have everybody. Once everybody's actually eaten, they'll just go ahead and write on a card A or B, and just go ahead and put that into the box, and then we'll tally that up at the end. So let me get back to what the fuck that I'm doing, and let me get back to my fire. All right. I'm just not actually doing it suspended like over, like a.
You added your steaks on?
Oh yeah, we want to get some grill marks. Let them know that we really care about steaks. You know, the hate is so real. The class is in session, so.
Part getting in. Sweater tied around his head and stuff. We got a
You
pair
just
of
called it supper. What are you talking about?
dinner, supper. Well, that's the only thing you can call it. It's only those 2.
What? No, it's you hungry, motherfucker?
Huh?
Ready to eat.
You ready to eat?
Don't be late for
That's
supper.
what it's called. You ready to eat?
My mom be like,
My mama ain't
Dinner, supper.
never say, I'm about to make dinner. Niggas ready to eat. You had today spaghetti. You just had that.
Follow you on the camera.
All right. You gonna meet Butcher, it's gonna be over with. You gonna be salty, bro. Like,
bro,
it's my nigga, bro. I don't want.
My brother got a pit bull, bro. So I get it.
Oh, no.
Total opposite.
No. This nigga's the opposite of that.
Complete opposite of that pit bull.
When you see this dude, bro, like this dude is a lap dog, bro.
Alright, so here we go. Quality kicking it, good time. Now we're about to go and get to the prayer, get to this food, man. And then ultimately we'll go and get to the judgment of this competition and see exactly who wins. Boom. What's coming for people? Ain't no You know what? All right, so Crystal, first of all, we appreciate you coming through, man.
You are so
What else could you have been doing today? What the fuck? Talk to me.
Sleeping.
All kinds of shit. We know that.
Sleeping. No, like literally, like probably just at home drinking champagne, watching Netflix.
You drink champagne, maybe?
Yes. Champagne. Is that bougie?
You know, I was nigga. That was
You
my
was
lips.
thinking that?
No, my lips were forming that. I was about to fucking say, you bougie ass motherfucker. Nigga.
I mean, you can drink it all day.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate you. Bomb food
Yeah.
all day.
That's what's up. We already know, man. We going.
Chef, you know.
Straight carnivore. This
Appreciate
nigga got
it.
all meat, nigga. This nigga.
I'm going for the sides. You in the way.
Braveheart.
You in the way of the sides.
No,
See?
let's check this mac out.
Yeah.
So that's the mac. Ooh.
Yeah.
All right. That's potato salad.
Right here, salmon.
So talk to me, man. What's the deal, man?
Everything's
Are you?
delicious.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
That's what's up. Talk to me. What have you sampled so far?
Steak.
So what?
Steak.
How?
Both are very good.
Very. Let's see what fat ass has on his fucking plate.
You man.
So these are grains. These are slapping. Not on my level, but they still slapping.
Only one got marbling.
All right, that's cool.
I like marbling. I like a little fat in my beef. If I'm gonna catch a heart attack, it might as well have some fat in it. But it's good. It's good when it hits that pan and it fry up. That's all I'm saying.
All right, that's what's up.
I like steak. You feel me?
Well, shit, that's what's up. Well, we're gonna see what the deal is like when you
We are.
go there at the end.
Did I miss out on that?
By the narrowest of margins, the winner of the first annual Battle of the Bums, cooks, goes to Trey A.
Who's Trey A?
Trey A.
As he gets Brian Russell with a quick crossover. Look at Brian Russell slips, and Michael pulls up and buries the shot to give him a 1-point lead.
Trey A was the winner.
Right.
We don't even need to plug Walt. I knew I was gonna win. He was throwing rocks at the throne. I had to get off my Thanos throne, come down real quick to be with Commerce. Therefore, I will take my crown, go back to my throne, and rest.
Only thing I'm gonna say is this. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna be for real. I already knew you had smoke on the chicken side. I get that. The steak, I went a whole different route, and I played myself, and that's cool. I did. I tried to do the skewer game instead of what the fuck I really do, straight flat on the grill. I'll take that loss. That's cool. Nigga, but don't ever get a motherfucker. You know what it is, and I know you know what it is. But I take this loss. Like, hold on, bruh. You act like don't nobody else grill all the goddamn. Who you talking to, bruh? Don't do it.
Who are you talking to?
You taking it on the level like you were just a fucking creator of fire and just stop it, bruh.
Okay.
I'll give you that. I'll give you that. No. I'll give you that.
Give me the strut. Give me the strut.
Bruh.
Give me the strut. Give me the strut.
Bruh,
Give me the strut.
That's the same
Give me the strut. Give me the strut.
I'm looking for my phone, bro. What? You got my phone, bro?
Why would I got your phone, bro?
Because you want to go back to Galaxy so bad.
No, I don't. Wow. What?